Let us take you through a step-by-step installation of the deck-mounted Mira React Plus Bath Filler. The Mira React Plus Bath Filler is a TMV2 approved thermostatic mixing valve designed to be installed to 180mm pipe centres, a standard distance for most bath types, which makes it ideal for retrofits or for new installations. Assemble the bath filler elbows using the kit supplied, taking care that the deck seal is installed underneath the chrome retaining trim. The bath filler elbow should first be installed hand tight. This allows for any necessary readjustment when aligning the elbows to the valve unions. Install the sealing washers into the hot and cold valve inlet before connecting the valve to the elbows. These must be the integrated filter and sealing washers supplied to protect the valve from debris. Connect the valve to the elbows, making the final watertight connection using an appropriate wrench or spanner. Take care to protect the chrome finish when doing so. The elbow back nuts can then be fully tightened to secure the bath filler in place using an appropriate base and wrench. The final water connection can then be made to the bath filler using a 3/4 inch tap connector of your specification. Please ensure the pipework is flushed before making the final connection to the valve. The flow and temperature handles can then be affixed. Indicators within the handle bodies illustrate the correct orientation. The handles are then simply pushed on to clip into place. The valve can then be tested and commissioned and the maximum temperature set to the suitable setting and/or user preference. An audit of the hot and cold supplies is always recommended to ensure compliance with TMV2 guidelines. The hot supply must be a minimum of 55 degrees. Fully exercise the valve from hot to cold to ensure satisfactory thermal performance. The Mira React Plus is supplied with built-in isolation valves, integrated as part of the hot and cold elbows. Each can be operated in any direction to isolate the water supplies. This allows for easy in-service testing and maintenance of the thermostatic mixing valve in accordance with annual TMV2 in-service checks, and for cold supply failure testing where this is a requirement. This above bath isolation ensures quick and easy maintenance without the need to remove the bath panel to access isolation points. When the valve is in operation, the cold water supply can be isolated at the built-in isolator and the performance of the thermal shutdown capability tested in accordance with the TMV2 testing procedure. Following a satisfactory result, the cold water supply can be reinstated and the valve returned into service. Your Mira React Plus Bath Filler is now ready to use.